Okay, I've got a couple washers that I'm going to measure here, and I'm going to show you what I have set up. And of course, I have a whole array of 72 washers, but I'm just going to show you two that I have set up so you can tell me what I'm doing wrong here. The outer diameter is a composite because it won't all fit in there, and the inner diameter can be done all in one. So I'm going to go over here and edit a step. Enter step 5, which is the inner diameter of the first one. I have the nominals all in there, and I have hit the export button. I'll call it ID1. And this one I chose not to hit the report button, and the MeasureMind Plus does work, but when I do that, but I didn't know if that affected it or not. So I'm going to hit done, and I'm going to do step 6 is the composite for the outer diameter. Here you can see composite it. Got the nominals in there and the export. Done. And finally the concentricity. And there's nominals of 0 plus or minus 2.7 called con1. Report is nothing on this one, but the export has con1. So hit done. Alright, on the second washer, let me see, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So step 12 is the ID for that one. I've got the report one hit in case it made a difference or not. So nominals, ID2 are all in there. Export, called it ID2. And report, I called it ID2. Step 13. That's the composite. Again, everything else is the same. Export, nominals are in there, and reports are in there. Done. And finally the concentricity for the second washer. And the export's there, nominals there. It's all good. Alright, so it's system, configuration, data export. I'm not sure it says send to database every part. I think this whole run is considered one part because it's one subroutine, is my guess how this thing thinks. I've got the Excel 97/2007. I've got my data, my Excel file right here, and table name is sheet 1. Okay, so if I run this, okay, we're all done running it. Now I'm going to go to my Excel file. We'll be here on F:. And it pulls up a blank sheet. There's nothing on sheet 2, sheet 3. Not quite sure where the data is. That's where I get lost. Right here I'm pulling up a blank sheet. So let me know what little trick I'm missing.